Sometimes it helps to pause and ask yourself, what kind of person do you want to become? Maybe you want to grow, learn new things, support your loved ones, and feel confident about your future. That's a completely natural desire, and the path to that kind of change can start with just one small step. In 2025 is a great time to give it a try. My name is Joe, and I've been working in trading for over 17 years. In that time, I got enough experience to share with those who are just beginning to explore this field. As part of my practice, I use an AI-based tool that helps me analyze the market and structure information. This tool can be especially useful for those who want to learn trading in a clear and manageable way without overload. If you're looking for a way to understand market fundamentals at a calm and steady pace, I invite you to learn more. In this video, I'll show you how I apply my own method and how automated tools can be used in both learning and trading. No big promises, just practical steps that can help you better understand how market data works and how to use it in your trading education. Are you ready? Let's get started. Sometimes the difference between those who move forward and those who stay stuck is just one decision. Not perfect conditions, not special skills, just a willingness to try something new. How many times have you put off something that could actually help you? Right now, you have the chance to take a step towards smarter tools. My AI assistant helps analyze the market, structure information, and give you a clearer understanding of how trading works. It's a great support system, especially if you're just starting out. Access to the bot is open and free. Just follow the link in the pinned comment and connect. Start learning the market with a clear and thoughtful approach. Now, let's dive into trading. I've opened the platform to calmly work and analyze the market alongside the AI tool that helps me structure the data and monitor chart behavior. Right now, I have a list of pairs selected for observation. These instruments were chosen based on several technical characteristics, and today I'll be monitoring them throughout the session. I'm not using any additional indicators in this setup as the assistant performs basic technical analysis on its own. My task is to closely follow the situation and compare its suggestions with what I see on the market. This approach helps me stay engaged and maintain a calm mindset when making decisions. Preparation is complete. Instruments are selected. The assistant has started processing the first currency pair. Let's begin our observation. I'm now seeing a recommendation to pay attention to a potential downward movement. The bot has noticed that the price has approached a level where a trend reversal occurred in the past. A candlestick pattern has appeared that may indicate a weakening of buying pressure. This could signal the start of a correction. I open a position downward and continue watching the market closely. The decision was based on visual signals on the chart and the bot's additional analysis. Moving on to the next setup. This time, the analysis suggests a likely upward move. The price chart has shown a series of candles, one of which may indicate renewed buying interest. I also see that this zone previously triggered a reversal. Based on this, I decide to open a position upward. This is a moment that requires focus and calm. These setups are particularly interesting. Price behavior becomes clearer when analyzed calmly. How's the result so far? And that's just the beginning. Everything starts with a tool that helps you not just watch, but act. My AI bot is that assistant, the one that makes adapting and progressing faster. Here's what you'll find inside the trading community: an AI assistant that helps you avoid emotional, impulsive decisions, a simple, structured learning path for a confident start, helpful materials that other members are already using in practice, and yes, access is still open and totally free. While others are just watching, you can be the one to take action. Click the link in the pinned comment and jump in. Let's keep going. The bot noted that the prices started to move slowly downward after a short rally. Previously, there was strong market activity in this area, and the price moved toward a certain range. I see this as a reason for a cautious entry downward and go ahead with the trade. So far, everything aligns with previous observations. Moving on to the next pair. A structure has formed on the chart where the price began rising after a brief pause. The bot indicates that the candles are becoming more defined and market sentiment is shifting. This may signal a renewed interest in buying. I open upward and stay attentive to how it develops. What matters here is not to rush, but to wait for confirmation from price behavior. Let's continue. The analysis tool suggests a possible decline. A candlestick with a long upper shadow is formed, often seen when an asset starts losing upward momentum. This could be an early sign of weakening demand. I open downward based on the current signals. These signs can be useful to observe. Let's see how this movement unfolds. The price approached a level and then broke through it to the downside. Such moves may indicate the market's intent to test the next price zone. The AI tool confirmed the trend. I open downward and monitor the ongoing development. Continuing to track chart behavior, everything is unfolding smoothly, which allows me to better observe the market structure. After a short pause, signs of upward movement began appearing on the chart. The price is gradually breaking local levels, and the candles have started changing color. This may signal growing interest from buyers. Based on this, I open upward. A great example of why it's important to stay calm and act consistently. Today's session gave us a chance to calmly observe how the market behaves in various situations. The AI tool helps organize information, but decisions are always made through analysis and a mindful approach. These observations help develop an understanding of how prices move and teach you to make decisions without rushing or pressure. How did that trading session feel? Every decision is like a step, one that shapes the path towards your goals. You get to choose whether to stay on the same route or discover new opportunities. Time doesn't stand still, and technology is changing all the rules. I built an AI tool that allows you to make smart decisions based on real data, not emotions. You'll get access to a tool that's helping thousands of people analyze information and take action fast. Discover an algorithm that evaluates every situation effectively. Learn how to remove hesitation and make informed decisions. Use a system that works around the clock. See how AI is changing the way people approach trading and decision making. Now it's up to you. And by the way, access to my AI bot is totally free. Click the link in the pinned comment. Connect to my AI via Telegram and learn more. See you on the inside. That's all for now.